2 children died in the space of 8 months. But what could have happened? Were these unfortunate accidents happening to the same family, or was it something more sinister? Guys, this story is beyond heartbreaking and infuriating, to say the least, so let's dig deeper. Today's case takes us to Blackburn, United Kingdom. Blackburn is a large industrial town in Lancashire, England, with a population of just over 100,000 people. Blackburn is around 15 miles from where I live, so I could say that this is kind of local. In November 2008, Jordan Monaghan and Laura Gray got engaged after beginning their relationship as teenagers. Jordan worked as a construction worker, and on November 17, 2011, they welcomed their baby boy Logan. As a toddler, Logan was a really funny, cheeky little boy, and Laura remembers that she had to keep her eyes on him just about everywhere. She holds dear a funny story which she will never forget. Logan once got himself into the freezer and he came out sucking on a sausage. You can see just how lively, playful and fun Logan was. Although only little, he was really independent, but he also really loved a cuddle from his mommy. Logan loved to dance, and he would be stomping about in their living room to the tunes of Troublemaker by Ollie Murs. On 23rd of September 2012, Logan is taken to hospital after swallowing paracetamol while at home alone with his dad, Jordan Monaghan. That same morning, Laura told Jordan that their relationship was over. However, they still remain together because on the 8th of December 2012, Ruby Monaghan is born. This is the best Christmas gift that anyone could ask for. On 29th of December 2012, just 21 days after Ruby is born, she collapses while alone in the living room at home with Jordan. 2 days later, on 31st of December 2012, New Year's Eve, right? Ruby is discharged from the hospital after being diagnosed with bronchiolitis. On 1st of January 2013, in the early hours of the morning, Ruby collapses while alone with Jordan and sadly is pronounced dead at 2:45 a.m. in hospital. Jordan told police that he was watching Die Hard on TV when he found his daughter Ruby was not breathing. A sudden death investigation was begun, but a post-mortem examination found that Ruby died from acute bronchopneumonia. However, as we will later find out in the video, the pathologist was mistaken. Ruby didn't die of natural causes or bronchopneumonia. On 16th of August 2013, Laura Gray discovers that her fiancé, Jordan, racked up a £2,000 credit card debt from gambling. He hadn't paid the rent on their home and he was even hiding money from her. So she tells him that their relationship is over. The very next day, on 17th of August 2013, Jordan Monaghan took their 21-month-old son Logan to Waves, a local swimming pool, with the toddler appearing happy, talking and behaving normally on the way there. CCTV footage showed both of them at reception at 2:06 p.m. and then leaving the center 27 minutes later. Jordan said that he got changed for the swim, but he then realized that he forgot Logan's swimming cap and left without going in the pool. He pulled the rain cover over Logan's pushchair, left the pool and returned home, telling Laura that her son Logan was asleep. He then left the property, telling her to wake Logan up, but only after he had gone out. Later, Laura tried to wake Logan up when she noticed that he didn't appear to be breathing, and an ambulance was called. Attempts were made to resuscitate Logan, but sadly they were unsuccessful. The cause of Logan's sudden death could not be established at the time. Jordan Monaghan is questioned by police for 8 hours, but he is then released. An inquest is held into the death of the two children. Ruby's death is attributed to bronchiolitis and Logan's cause of death remains uncertain. The second tragedy, Logan's death, following the tragedy of Ruby's death, brought the couple together again, and the relationship continued for a while. Laura Gray and Jordan Monaghan's newborn daughter Ruby died on New Year's Day 2013, shortly after she was discharged from hospital. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please take care and stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!